Hello friends, this is Kevin with Chasing Fish for Life. If you're new, welcome to the channel. And today's video is about some drone footage that I captured, kind of new to the drone world. And it does add a different element to your videos. And so I guess due to work and some different things, haven't been out much the last few weeks, so this is my first video in the last 6 or 8 weeks, I guess. So hope to get back on track. And what I ended up picking up drone wise was a DJI Air 3S. I'm sure some of you may be familiar with it. And then I picked up comes with I got the remote control with the screen attached to it instead of using my phone, and 3 batteries and some filters I'll be playing with, so that's what I'm working on. That's what this video is about. And you'll also see I think the last segment of this video, drone footage, you'll see some redfish, school of redfish, and then we have a bobber with the shrimp on it. For whatever reason, they didn't want it. We couldn't get them to eat, but we did end up getting I think 3 black drum, 3 sheephead, and so we didn't get skunked, but we didn't catch any redfish this day. So anyway, I thank you for watching, and hope you enjoy it.